Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nintendo Switch Lite. First, let's cover a basic power cycle, which can often fix minor glitches. To do this, simply hold down the power button located on the top of your console for about 3 seconds. A Power Options menu will appear. Select Power Off to completely shut down the system. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then press the power button again to restart your Switch Lite. This simple step can resolve many common problems without losing any data. Next, let's look at a factory reset that keeps your precious game save data intact. This is perfect if you're experiencing software issues but don't want to lose your progress. To enter maintenance mode, first ensure your Switch Lite is completely powered off. Then, hold down both the volume up and volume down buttons, and while holding them, press the power button. Keep holding all 3 buttons until the maintenance mode menu appears. From there, select the option to initialize console without deleting saved data and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, for a full factory reset, which will erase absolutely everything from your Nintendo Switch Lite. This is ideal if you're selling your console or facing persistent, severe software problems. Again, start with your Switch Lite completely powered off. Enter maintenance mode by holding down the volume up and volume down buttons, then pressing the power button simultaneously. Once in maintenance mode, choose the option Initialize Console to wipe all data. Be absolutely sure this is what you want, as this action cannot be undone. Before performing any reset, always ensure your Nintendo Switch Lite has at least 50% battery charge to prevent interruptions. If you have a Nintendo Switch Online membership, consider backing up your saved data to the cloud beforehand, especially if you're doing a full factory reset. Remember, a full reset deletes everything. If after trying all these steps, your Switch Lite still isn't functioning correctly, it's best to contact Nintendo's official customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specialized troubleshooting or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.